Welcome to ASPC Excel Guides. Sorting is arranging data in certain order. Data can be arranged in any order. It can be high to low, it can be low to high. In this tutorial, we will learn how to sort the data in Excel. We will learn how to arrange data in lowest to highest, highest to lowest, oldest to newest dates, and newest to oldest dates, sort by cell color, sort by font color, custom sort, sort in columns as well as sort in rows. We will also learn multiple sorting in same table. So let's begin. In this example, I have four types of data: text, date, whole number or integer type number, and decimal number. To sort any data, we go to Editing tab under Home menu in the ribbon. On clicking this button, you will notice there are three options: Sort A to Z, Sort Z to A, and Custom Sort. Alternatively, you can click the Data menu and under Sort and Filter section, you will get these three buttons: Sort A to Z, Sort Z to A, and Sort. I use this button because it is very useful to me. I think after watching this video, you will also find why I use this option. To sort any data, you must click on any cell in the data range. Now, we will first use these two buttons. This button will sort the data. It can also sort a single character data. So, I am selecting the first column, region. It is a text data type. Now click on the Sort A to Z button. It will arrange the data from alphabetical order A to Z. This button will do the reverse. The most important button is this Sort button. Click on this button. A new sort window will appear. The first button in this window is Add Label. If you click on this button, new labels will be added. The next button is Delete Label. Click on this button, it will remove the labels. The next button is Copy Label. If you click on this button, it will copy the selected label and will paste this label here. The next buttons are Move Up and Move Down buttons. These buttons will move these labels up or down. Now we have an Option button. On clicking this button, it will open a new small window, Sort Options. Two options are present here. One is Sort top to bottom and another is Sort left to right. We have a checkbox, My Data has headers. If you tick this option, it will include the column headers, and if you untick, it will exclude the column headers. Let us know how this option button works. Add one or more labels by clicking Add Label button. If you click on the Sort by drop down, you can see the column headers if this checkbox is ticked. Now untick this checkbox and notice the column headers are gone. It is showing column A, column B, and so on. Therefore, it is good habit to tick this checkbox. If you notice carefully, here is three parts: column, sort on, and order. Click on the drop down of Sort by button. It will show you the column headers. Select region. Next is Sort on. By default, it is cell values. Click in this drop down button. You will see few options: cell color, font color, and conditional formatting icon. Select the default option, Cell Values. Next is Order. Click here. The drop down expands and we have three options: A to Z, Z to A, and Custom Sort. Select A to Z. Now remove the other labels and click OK. The data is sorted A to Z in region column. Now suppose you want to order in the day column. Click on Sort button, add another label, click Add Label. Select the day, the data is ordered. but the day column is ordered in A to Z. We need Sunday, then Monday, and so on. Here comes custom sort. Open the sort window. In this level, in the order part, click on the drop down list and select custom sort option. It will show you custom list. Select the day option. Click OK and again click OK. Now the data is arranged as per our requirement. This custom list is very useful. I will show you in another video how this option will help you in various conditions. Now suppose we also need to sort the date. Steps are very simple. Open the sort window, select the last level, add another level, select date. From this option you can select oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Click OK and you have the desired data. We will now work on the number and decimal data types. Add another level. If you add any level accidentally, then you select the level and click the delete level button. Select product 1 from here and in the order you can select from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Click OK. You may think the sorting is not done, but it is not. The sorting is not showing because of the previous sorting orders and the unavailability of data. Let us test it. If I add another row here and copy all the data from above, then change this value to 400 and apply the sorting, the data is sorted. Now quickly I will show you how to sort the data by cell color and font color. Let me first remove all the sorting by deleting the labels from sort window. Add another label. We will sort the data based on the yellow color in the employee name column. Select employee name column header from here. Change the sort on option to cell color. Note a new drop down appeared. Options are no cell color and the yellow color and cyan color. Select the yellow color. The next drop down is displaying on top. It is default. Click on this button. You will get another option. On bottom. This means if you select the on top option, the yellow color will be at the top of the column. If you select on bottom, yellow colored cell will be at the end of the column. I select on top option. Click OK. Yellow color is at the top. Now again open the sort window and change this option to on bottom. Click OK. The yellow colored data are now at the bottom of the table. The same steps are to be followed in sorting by font color. One thing to remember, sorting will arrange all the data in a row if you are sorting column wise. Now let us understand how to sort data row wise. Rarely used in practical life, but you should know it. It is very simple. Open sort window, click on option button, select this option. Let me show you how to do it. I will copy this data and I will paste the data in another sheet and will transpose the data. Our test data is ready. Now click on sort button. In the sort window, watch carefully the column part showing columns like column A, column B, etc. Now click on the option button. Select this option, sort left to right. Click OK. Now this header changed to row from column. Select row 2 and it is A to Z. Click OK. The data is ordered. This is how we sort data in Excel. Please like and click the subscribe button to get modern Excel tutorial notification. Thank you for your interest.